stamping Happy Mail, and I also came home to this package, which is envelopes. It's like the ones that I packed my the ones that I packed my Happy Mail in yesterday were still from my shop that I used to have years ago. And I wanted to use this up first before getting new ones. Now I got these. The color is really cool. All of these have to go on all of these now. It's actually 3 p.m. already. Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. I just started packing Happy Mail and I think I'm gonna take a little break because I still have some other stuff to do today. I need to answer 2 emails and then also start some sketches for the next Happy Mail, which will be October. Okay, so I answered 2 more mails and then I prepared this post that I'm planning to post every month on Instagram. So these will be part of September Happy Mail. So if you pledge to my Patreon, to the Happy Mail tier in September, you will get these. Couple of days. We all had a cold. whole family. But now everything is back on track. Painted some sticker designs. So this one, I think this one is my favorite. It was a lot of fun painting it. And then this cow, I made some painting tests before that, but this one is the final one. And then also a little ginkgo leaf. I'm gonna add little faces to these too. So the problem when you have a dog is that you will have hair on your skins. Look at that. It's okay, I can edit that out.
It can be an amazing vocation if you have the love and courage and persistence to see it through. I suggest that this may be the only lifetime. Let me tell you a story about persistence and patience. Back in my
So it's Saturday, and today I'm filming something for a little collaboration with No Issue. This is my little setup. Okay, so I changed the location because I have beautiful sunlight here. And here is how the footage looks like. If you want to see the final result, I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1.